Hi guys. Okay, so I'm about to give you guys a room tour of the room here at the Hilton Resorts World. It has 3 hotels here, the Crockford and the Hilton and the Conrad. So I'm at the Hilton, so I'm gonna show you guys the room. Okay, let's walk in with me. I just propped the door. Okay, so this is the hallway, the entrance hall. When you walk in, here is the closet. All of the luggage is in here. It has a double door, your standard hangers, and it has an iron and an ironing board and your luggage stand. So when you guys come to the hotel, always come and ask for your luggage stand. Okay, this is the restroom. You have your toilet over here. I don't understand this. I guess this bathroom door doesn't open all the way, but you the toilet paper roll is decked out in gold, and so is the handle to flush. The toilet is in gold. There goes a trash can. Here's a painting, and this is the restroom here, guys. I look a hot mess. I've been driving and road tripping the whole time, so it is me, Diva TT. And yes, guys, we ordered some more towels, and here's some hand wash and body lotion. This is the sink. I'm gonna remove this. We're using the sink as a cooler, guys, but the sink is really nice. It's deep, and we have ice in here because in the bag is some goodies. You know, them things. Absolute, and of course H2O. Also, you have the shower head here. The shower looks really nice. It has a gold shower head, and it actually has 2 shower heads, one for above and one that is manual that you can put all over your body using your you know, it's like you take it off this little handle thing right here. And also, oh, it has a seat in here too. I like that. I like the shower. I like the gold. Okay, y'all. So this is the shower. This is the bathroom right here. I look a hot mess. Well, I feel like I need to have a shower at this time. Okay, so, okay. Okay, guys, so I already set up my ring light, and you have the 2 queen beds. You have the TV here. Here's the hotel, like some of the snacks you can eat, which I'm not gonna touch because you guys will be charged for each you know, item you touch. They will charge it to your room. Here's like an ice chest, 2 cups, and the little tongs to get the ice. This is a little table. Of course, you guys see we have water, some snacks, my purse, and the camera. It does have a little seating area right here. You can sit on the side right here. You have these lamps. You have the chair here, which is nice, which matches the curtains. And guess what, guys? Check out the view. Yes, the weather in Vegas is sucking right now. It is monsoon weather, and as you can see, we have the biggest view of Vegas ever. Like, you can see everything from here. Clearly they got a new construction going on right here with this big dirt, but you can see several pools down there. You can see, I mean, all the way to the airport. You can see the Fashion Show Mall. You can see the Mirage. You can see Treasure Island. You can see Encore. You can see the Wynn. You can see the Palazzo. I mean, as far as the eye can see, you can pretty much see all of the strip. This is a strip view. And you got the Trump Hotel over there. But anyways, guys, and then you have these curtains here, and look at this nice painting over the beds. It is really, really nice, and the room is super, super cute, guys. So yes, this is the Hilton at Resorts World, and it is a comfortable stay so far. We just had housekeeping come in, and look at our room. Not look at our room. I mean, clean our room. Oh, I'm talking about look at our room. I'm tired. I'm going off like 2 hours sleep. So yeah, I got my ring light already set up because you already know I'm gonna be doing content in here. But today I just feel like all I want to do is eat. I want to eat and go to the pool. Because I'm really here for just relaxation. We're here for We're here for relaxation and just peace and quiet. And yes, yeah. So I'm like a fish. I love to swim. So I'm gonna be in that pool. Okay, I brought like 5 bathing suits. So that pool gonna get this body. Okay. And I'm gonna be taking pictures so y'all can see what is given. And I'll vlog as much as I can, but I do want to enjoy. So I want to give you guys a little room tour. Look at these beds. I mean, nice ass queen bed. Sorry, guys. But really nice. And yes, guys, this is the room. Yes, yes, yes. That's the entry hall right there. And you got plugs here. You got USB ports here for your convenience. And yes, guys. So Resorts World is pretty big. I don't even know if I feel like leaving. Like I do Vegas all the time. Like I mean, and this Resorts World has so much, so it's not like I need to go hotel hopping. Like I can just hotel hop between the 3 hotels that's already here on this property, because I know it has like 8 pools or more. And I mean, it just has a bunch of different shopping experiences. Like, so not experiences, but a lot of shopping, great shopping. And I know that it has a lot of great restaurants. So I'm going to just explore this hotel. When I go traveling, I try to just like you know, enjoy that hotel room. Like I don't really need to go to hotel hopping. I wish I could go see Usher, but I might have to catch Usher later. But anyway, okay, guys. So I will come back to you guys when I am back. When I pick up the camera next. I'm about to charge the camera now. Okay. All right, guys. Talk to you later. I forgot to show you guys the mini bar down here. I remember during COVID, we came last year. They had taken all the drinks out and all the liquor out, and they brought it back. So it's Bud Light in there. I see Absolute Berry Vodka Rita. I don't know what that is. Sounds interesting. Grape something. I can't see the whole word, but it's a bunch of shot bottles in there, and they have some large liquor in there. And then you have 2 drawers here. I'm sure the safe is somewhere up in here, but this is how the TV looks with the, I have to lay all the way back to get this angle, y'all. But this is the TV with the mini bar, with the seating area, and the view. We are like facing the Wynn and the Encore sister hotels and the airport. I know, I already said that. The whole view of the strip. Again, this view is sick, guys. The people down that's walking on the streets down there, they look like little ants, like literally little ants. Like when we go to sleep, we're gonna be sleeping on pillows. And I also see Macy's right there. So we are, like I said, the Fashion Show Mall. We are by the Fashion Show Mall. I wonder what they're gonna put right here though, because this is a big old gaping something's gonna be built here, and they have it all set up. All they gotta do is just drop it. I don't know what's there, but as you can see, what is this? The Crockford. We right by the Crockford sign. I can see it right here. Crockford, which is another hotel that is associated with Resorts World. So yes, like I said, this hotel is 3-in-1, guys. So the Crockford, the Conrad, and the Hilton. So it's a bomb. It's gonna be bomb. I'm about to get in that pool, but I guess they got the pool closed because it's raining, kind of rainy out here, the monsoon thing. And I see the Rio Hotel over there and Palms. So yes, guys, we get a really nice view of the whole city. My camera's about to die, so I'm out of here. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. Peace.